Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we will understand one of the Excel's most powerful lookup tools, XMATCH function. XMATCH function is a flexible lookup function that finds the relative position of a value in a specified range or array. It is an enhanced version of the traditional match function and it offers more powerful features like searching in both directions and supports approximate match and wildcard matches too. I will explain all these features with examples, so watch the video till end. XMatch functions take four arguments. Lookup value is the value you are searching for. Lookup array is the range or array where you are searching for the value. Match mode is optional parameter and it specifies the type of match you want. The default match mode is 0, which is used for exact match. The other values are -1, 1 or 2. -1 is used for exact match or the next smaller item. 1 is used for exact match or the next larger item. And 2 is used for wildcard matching. Search mode parameter specifies the direction and method of search. This is again an optional parameter and default value is 1, which is used to search from first to last or top to bottom. The other values can be -1, 2 or -2. -1 is used to search from last to first or bottom to top. And 2 or -2 value is used for binary search in ascending or descending order respectively. In this example, we have product list in column A and the item to search is in cell B13. To get the position of the item, select cell B14 and type equals to XMatch open bracket. Lookup value is in cell B13. So select B13, press F4. Now type comma and select range A2 to A10. Closing bracket and press enter. It will return the first position of product monitor. Now if lookup value is not available, function will return hash any error. XMatch function can search from bottom to top. This functionality is not available in match function. So to get the last position of monitor product, we will use fourth parameter. Select cell B14 and in the formula after second parameter, comma, now type 0 for exact match, which is third parameter, type comma and -1 to search from bottom. Remember, the default value is 1, which is used to search from top to bottom. Press enter. The result is the last position of product monitor. In XMatch, the third parameter is optional and the default value is 0 for exact match. In XMatch, two other options are also available for approximate match. In cell B12, type equals to XMatch open bracket. Now number to search is available in cell B11. So select B11 and press F4, comma, select range A2 to A7 in which data is available, closing bracket and press enter. Now 80 is available, so it will return the position of 80. Now change the number to 85 and function will return hash NA. Now to use approximate search in such scenario, select cell B12 and in formula after the second parameter type -1 for approximate match and press enter. Function will return the position of the largest number in the list that is less than or equal to 85. So 85 is not available and 82 is the largest number which is less than 85. Function will return the position of 82. Now change the parameter to 1 and XMatch will return the position of the smallest number in the list that is higher than or equal to 85. In this case, 90 is the smallest number which is higher than 85. So function will return the position of 90. In XMatch, wildcard can also be used for search. This functionality is not available in match function. To search first position of the word starting from tab, now in cell B14, type equals to XMatch, open bracket, select cell B13, ampersand, and type asterisk sign in double quotes, comma, select range A2 to A10, comma, type 2 for wildcard search, closing bracket and press enter. Now function will return the first position of product starting from word tab. Please ensure you are using search type 2, else function will return hash any error. So if I remove 2, the function will return hash any. Using XMatch, we can find the position of multiple lookup values at once using dynamic array. This functionality is not available in match function. Now in this example sheet, we have employee's name in column A, and to get the position of these three employees, select cell E1 and type equals to XMatch, open bracket. Now select the list of employees to search, which is available in D1 to D3, comma, select the data range from A2 to A21, closing bracket and press enter. It will return the position of all the three employees. So in this way, you can use XMatch function to find the relative position of a value in a specified range or array. This is more flexible and supports search from bottom to top, dynamic array and wildcard character, which is not available in traditional match function. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.